Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a text box inside of PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up PDFgear and open up your PDF that you'd like to move that text inside. So I've got this one for demonstration. So say for example, I want to move startup. So to do this, I need to go ahead and click on the edit tab at home on the top, and then below that click on the edit text. Then from here, with your mouse, just go ahead and hover over where you'd like to move. So see how if I hover over startup, it's going to have that move symbol. So basically click and hold that down, and then we can move that to wherever we like. Same for here, but don't click into it. Otherwise you can see you'll highlight it. So don't click, so just click and hold to move where you'd like that text to move. Now go ahead and save changes. Now if we want to go ahead and add text, we can. So if I add some text here, I'm just going to say hello, like so. And to move this, we can just go ahead and move it. If I zoom in like so, we can just move it by just clicking where you want it to be, like that.